Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And right now we have to take a look at this option bar and find the settings. If you cannot find them here, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon and the settings should appear somewhere here. So let's enter the settings and tap on languages on the very first position. Here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, so for sure you will find something you want to set. So actually this is what you have to do. So find the language you would like to apply. I will pick something like Arabic because it is a graphical one and you will see the difference. So here we've got Arabic, just tap on it, and as you can see, in my case the Arabic had this small arrow and it means that here we are also able to choose the region. So the same situation, just tap on the region you would like to set. Here we've got the keyboard option, so we've got the handwriting, here we've got the second option of Arabic one. So just take it, mark it if you want to if you want to apply the handwriting. I don't want to, so let me tap on done, and as you can see the Arabic language immediately appears on this list. So we can go back to the keyboard and check, and here we've got actually two differences. I'm not really sure if you've paid attention before, but let's take a look at the space bar. It is not empty anymore. Here we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which means that thanks to this we will be able to switch through the languages. So as you can see right now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can switch to the Arabic one. Let's tap on it and again English. So actually this is it. This is how to add new language to a keyboard and how to change it. And right now I can show you how to actually remove the language, because probably you do not need two different languages applied. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on the languages again, and here we've got this edit icon, so let's tap. And right now we can mark the language we would like to remove. So I will pick Arabic and tap on this trash bin icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got only English left, so here we've got the state we had just at the very beginning of this video. So we can also go back to the keyboard and check, and here we do not have the globe icon. What's more, the spacebar is empty. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.